Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today is the first video I'm uploading in 2022. Today's video is a video tutorial to show you how I dyed my 613 18-inch bundles into ash blonde, and I also dyed my 7x7 closure into ash brown. The closure was natural black color 1B and the bundles were 613 blonde bundles, which is the platinum blonde. The hair I'm using is from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. If you are interested in their 613 blonde bundles or any other hair textures, check out the description box down below. I have a coupon code for you guys. You will get a 20% off your overall purchase if you use my code. I will leave all the information in the description box down below, and it is the 613 blonde. I dyed it into ash blonde and the closure into ash brown. So if you are interested, stay tuned for the video tutorial. After dyeing my wig into ash blonde, it turned into gray, like literally gray. Look at it. The top was already honey blonde, so it just gave me a darker brown color. That is the 7x7 closure. It just gave me a darker ash brown color when I put the ash blonde on it. But the 613 blonde bundles turned to gray, so I'm just not feeling it. So what I'll be doing now is I will re-dye this wig off camera. I bought Nice and Easy dark champagne blonde and dark blonde and natural light golden brown. So these three shades I will basically apply it on my wig and have a highlight look. So if you are interested, stay tuned.